Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add voice effects on TikTok. You'll be able to add voice effects to your TikTok videos. There are over hundreds of voice effects that you can use on TikTok to make your TikTok videos spicy and also engaging. So guys, if you want to know more, make sure you watch to the end of this video. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. Without any further ado, let's get started. The first step is to open your TikTok app. So guys, once you open up your TikTok app, the first step that you need to take is to tap on the plus icon. You can see it there at the middle. You tap on it. So guys, over here you either record a video by tapping on the record icon. You can see there the white record icon, or you can upload a video from your gallery by tapping on the upload icon on the right hand side. So guys, I want to upload the video from my gallery, so let me tap on upload. Let me tap on it. So guys, the next step that you have to take now is to go over to the video section. As you can see here, we have photos and video section. Then tap on the video section. You can see the arrow pointing at it. Tap on it. So guys, let me go ahead to choose a video. Let me choose two videos at the same time. Okay guys, you can see I've chosen two videos, so let me tap on next. So guys, this is where you actually do the magic. As you can see on the right hand side, we have so many features that you can use. Within those features, you're going to find the voice icon, which is the last one below. You can see it there. You tap on it. So guys, this is where you record your voiceover and also choose a voice effect. So guys, let me go ahead to record a voiceover. For you to record a voiceover, you have to tap on the record icon there. You can see the arrow pointing at it. You tap on it. Then you tap on the record icon there below. Okay, you can see now I've started recording my voiceover. So guys, you can see these beautiful AI pictures I generated using an AI app. It's actually amazing. The pictures are so real and cute. So guys, these pictures are so marvelous. They are actually generated by AI. So guys, this is the end. So guys, you can see now I've recorded my voiceover. So once you're done recording your voiceover, you tap on done below. You can see it on the right hand side. You tap on it. So guys, let me let you guys hear the voice record that I recorded. Let me tap on it to play it. So guys, let me start my voice recording. Wow guys, I so much love these AI images. These AI images are so looking cute and real. You can imagine that I actually created these AI images using an AI app. The AI app is so awesome and so good. So guys, these pictures are so lovely. So guys, now I've been able to hear my voice recording, my voiceover. That voiceover was made from my real voice. You can see here below we have hundreds of voice effects and voice filters that you can use to change your real voice. You can see what is written there. Use voice filters to change your voice or record sound. So guys, now let me tap on the first voice filter, which is Mr. Meticulous. Let's see how my voice is going to sound. So let me tap on it. You can see guys, it's loading up the voice effect, the voice filter. So guys, now the voice filter is done loading. Let us tap on the play icon to play and hear the sound now.
So guys, let me start my voice recording. Wow guys, I so much love these AI images. These AI images are so looking cute and real. You can imagine that I actually created these AI images using an AI app. The AI app is so awesome and so good. So guys, these pictures are so lovely.
Wow guys, you can see my voice actually changed using that voice filter. Let me use another voice filter to see how it sounds. Let me go for the second one, which is Beauty Guru. Of course, that's a lady's voice. So let me tap on it. So guys, you can see it's loading again. Once it gets to 100, it's going to start playing.
So guys, let me start my voice recording. Wow guys, I so much love these AI images. These AI images are so looking cute and real. You can imagine that I actually created these AI images using an AI app. The AI app is so awesome and so good. So guys, these pictures are so lovely.
Wow guys, you can see I've actually used two filters, and you can see that these two filters actually change my real voice. You can see down here we have hundreds of voice filters that you can actually use. All you have to do is to actually select the one that you want. We have a robotic voice, we have a battery drain voice, we have a megaphone voice, so many of them. Also guys, before I forget, you can also edit your voice recording, your voiceover. For you to do that, you have to tap on that icon that is written view recording. So let me tap on it. You can see here you can actually cancel this voiceover by actually tapping on that cancel icon there. You can see it there to cancel the voice recording. So guys, you can see this is how you can actually cancel or re-record your voiceover. So let me tap on done. And also you can tap on the volume icon. It's just next to the view recording icon. You can see it there. They're on the same button. Just tap on it. Just that the volume icon is on the right while the view recording is on the left. So let me tap on it. So guys, can see here, this is where you can actually balance the original sound of the video and your voiceover. You can decide to increase the original sound and reduce the voiceover. You can see I've reduced my voiceover. You can decide to reduce it, or you can decide to reduce the original sound and increase your voiceover. So guys, this is how you can actually edit your volume. So let me tap on done, then let me tap on save.
So guys, let me start my voice recording. Wow guys, I so much love these AI images. These AI images are so looking cute and real. You can imagine that I actually created these AI images using an AI app. The AI app is so awesome and so good. So guys, these pictures are so lovely. So guys, let me start my voice recording. Wow guys, I so much love these AI images. These AI images are
So guys, I had to reduce the volume so that you can hear my voice now. I just allowed it to play so that you can actually hear that the voice effect is actually working. So guys, over here now you can actually add a music to this your voiceover video. All you have to do is to tap on the add sound icon. You can see it there at the top. You tap on it. So guys, you can see here we have list of songs. So all you have to do is to choose one of them. Let me choose this one over here. So guys, let's get to hear the sound of the song. So guys, I just have to let you guys hear the sound of the music. So guys, you can also tap on the volume icon at the bottom right corner so that you can adjust and balance the voiceover sound and the music. So let me tap on it. So guys, you can see here we have original sound and added sound. The added sound is the music you just chose now. So let me reduce it a little bit. Then let me increase my voiceover because I want my voiceover to be actually heard. So I've increased it. So let me tap on done. So guys, now let me let you guys hear the sound, the combination of the voiceover and the music. You're going to see how it's going to blend. So let me increase the volume right away.
These AI images are so looking cute and real. You can imagine that I actually created these AI images using an AI app. The AI app is so awesome and so good. So guys, these pictures are so lovely.
Guys, now you've been able to hear the mixture of the voiceover and the music. So guys, this is how you can actually choose a voice effect and a voice filter in your TikTok videos. So once you're done with all of this, now all you have to do is to tap on next. So guys, once you're here now, all you have to do now is to add your description and you tap on post below. So guys, I don't want to post this video. I'm just going to draft it because it's not actually necessary for me to post it. So guys, I've come to the end of this video and I believe if you got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you in the next upload. Bye bye. Peace.